welcome back to my channel. This is Desiree LaBelle, and I'm so excited to come to you guys with my knotless unit. I recently redid my goddess unit from last year that I made for my birthday. So I really wanted knotless braids, so I was like, hey, let me redo this unit and add in some blue hair. So I'm just showing you guys exactly how it look, and here we go. As you can see from the thumbnail, that it is a unit. It's a frontal unit that, like I said, I reconstructed from my goddess unit to a knotless unit. So with the goddess unit, it was box braids, just regular box braids with added in curly extension hair. But it was synthetic. So with this, it's knotless braids, and I added in human hair, but the whole frontal is blue extensions instead of black, and it just give it an extra pop with the extra, you know, illusion of knotless braids, but it's a wig. So in construction of this unit, I use my frontal from my hairline, Desiree LaBelle collection, or D LaBelle collection, correction, D LaBelle collection. So it's a 13x4 frontal that I use for this unit. Let me show you. 13x4. And disregard the glue. I previously had this in and I forgot to remove the lace spray, but yeah, this is the unit that I made. And like I said, these are the knotless braids in the front, and it has human hair added in. The curly pieces are all human hair. The blue is synthetic, but like I said, so to maintain my hair underneath, I do have locks. They're shoulder length. So I just flat twisted my locks down and put on my cap, as you can see. Normally some people sew down their locks to make it even flatter, but with me, I don't intend on keeping this unit on for long. Since I transitioned to locks, I can't really wear wigs for that long because I get irritated quickly, so quickly. So I don't plan on keeping this unit on for long. It's just to show you guys this unit. So yeah, I did flat twists all the way around, flat twists, and just put the rest of the hair in a ball in the back, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So you guys sit back, relax, and watch me install my unit. So with all my units, I use a mesh dome cap, and the excess strap that I cut off, I normally just sew that back on. I sew it at the part where it will meet behind my ear, so I can have that extra support, and I can wear it glueless if I choose to. So put the strap on underneath where my locks end. Whoop. And then I just pull the rest of my cap down, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it's pretty much blending, despite the fact that I still do have makeup from the last time I installed my unit. It still gives that realistic look. I just hope it doesn't look cakey, because I meant to clean this before I did my install, but here it goes. So I use this lace spray. It works wonders. I love it. I just spray my hairline. that was the first application of the spray. I do at least 3 applications of this spray. You could use 2, but just to be on the safe side, 3 applications to make sure it's secure. So I do it in sections. I do it from my temple down to my ear, forehead, temple, down to my ear. So, and in between each application, I do wait for it to get tacky. If you want to speed up the process, you can definitely use a blow dryer. Right now, I don't want to leave this moment to go get my blow dryer, so I'm just fan drying it. And you want to wait until it gets tacky or halfway dry before you add on each application of the spray. You know what, I may stop being lazy and just go get my blow dryer, because this process is going to take forever if I don't. And when it comes down to drying it, you want to always make sure you put it on a cool setting. Always make sure you put it on the cool setting, okay? And here we go. And when it comes down to the last application of the spray, this is where you want to take your time and press the lace into the glue. So that is down. I blow dried it on the cool setting. So moving on to the middle section. And like I said, it's the same process. I do it in 3 sections. It just makes the install much easier. I am considering, ouch. I am considering not doing full frontals the next time, because I want to try to make it as easy as possible for my clients to install, because not everybody is frontal friendly. So I feel like with a closure, it'll be easier to install. Even though it's multiple ways. Who is running? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Press, press, press. Okay, moving on to the last part. I'm really like freaking out right now. Not really freaking out, but I'm like, because I normally don't do my makeup before I do an install. I normally do it afterwards because of the potential of this spray running if I spray too much. But yeah. So, and just press it in. And like I said, go back over it on the cool setting. Gonna wrap it up, and I'll be back to do my baby hairs in a second. So, ready to take this down. All right. And I like it. What is that? Okay. But yeah, I like it. I gotta redo my baby hairs. But for the most part, you guys, you see the vision. See the vision. Like I said, it will probably look more seamless if I cleaned it. But I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this unit is. So it's still enough product on my baby hairs, so all I did was sprayed the teeth of the comb. I'm just gonna comb this out if it'll allow me. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. That's the reason why I prefer to not have my makeup done beforehand, because I really don't have to add product back to my baby hairs all the time, because it's enough left on there. Well, all I got to do is just wet my the teeth of my comb and just smooth it out, and it's just like, okay, back to normal. Like, I don't have crunchy edges, but at the same token, I do make